What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B. Welcome back to a five-tail video that we're gonna have here today. You see I got my helmets right here in front of me. A lot of people have been asking me and texting me and emailing me asking me about my helmet GoPro setup, y'all, and we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna tell you what GoPros I'm using that I've always been using, the only ones I've been using. Hey y'all, and we're gonna get into it right after this.
From the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Twisted Sisters, what a ride.
Yeah, y'all, I'm thinking questions about my setup, my GoPro setup. Everybody asking me, how am I getting my audio so clear? So today we're gonna show you my setup. I'm finna set this helmet up right here. These two are already set up, so we're gonna get this one set up. And this is my Quinn helmet right here that I'm rocking right here. It's a smart helmet. If you hadn't seen the last video, built-in intercom system, built-in GPS locator, built-in beacon, SOS beacon on here. Just a great all-around helmet. And this is the same exact helmet that I rock with Khrome. It's a Quinn helmet, built-in intercom, built-in SOS beacon, and this is what I use right here. So, and also my Shoei RL1400 right here, y'all. I've been rocking this board for a while. It's a great helmet. Has took me all over the country riding with this board right here. And I'm gonna show you all my setups, man. They pretty much the same way and everything. And you can see on the front, pretty much the same way, y'all. Everybody been wanna know what mic am I using? Why is my audio so clear? What is going on with that? So today, y'all, I'm gonna show you my setup. This is an Action Pro setup right here. This is what's gonna go right here on the very front of the helmet, like these right here. So I like these right here, and we're gonna get it set up for you all. I'm gonna show this to you so I can get it open. Let me show you this. It's a very easy setup right here. You got alcohol wipes and stuff like that. And it's only got the 3M tape on the back of it, so it make it that much easier. This is the little mount thing that goes in the helmet. And I'm gonna show you one that I have here that I've been using. This just to be an extra one for me right here in case this one break, but I haven't had any issues cause I am not rough on my stuff. So this has been what I've been rocking. This right here, I'm gonna show you on this helmet and this helmet. This been, the only thing you do is, see this little slide right here? Just get this here and just slide it in. That's all I do on all my helmets right there. And I lock my GoPro in right here. Exact same thing on that helmet. So I just take it out of this one here. And do it on my Shoei RL1400. That's so I won't have so many different things, you know, you don't know what's going on. See that? Just slides right in, y'all. So that make it much easier, so when you get ready to hit the road, you're not looking for something to put in front of this or whatever. Man, it's just easy to have all of them pretty much set up the same way. And why not set them up the same way since I'm getting such clear audio? I used to get trash audio, y'all. My audio used to be trash, staticky, everything. But let me show you a few things that I use. Like I say, I got the Action Pro that's gonna go right here, and I got alcohol pads to clean that. But the mic, that's the main thing right there. The Movo mic. This is the mic that I've been using right here on all three of these helmets is a Movo mic, and this mic is a great mic. It's sensitive. You got to know where to set it up. You got to know what to cover it up with. I cover it up with the little black deal here that comes on here. Let me take it out. It's kind of like a boom mic. I'll let you see it. See that? It's kind of got the boom mic thing on it like this. And it's just, and you don't have to have an adapter with that because it's already set up right there. You know, like if you get I think Purple Panda, you gotta have an adapter on here. This one you don't. It's plugged straight in to the back of my media mod on my GoPro Hero 9 Black. I use two GoPro Hero 9 Blacks. This one being the media mod, the other one don't. I haven't had an issue with my GoPro Hero 9s at all. I heard a lot of people say they got the 10s and 11s and they be cutting off and overheating. I haven't had that issue. I haven't had that issue at all. And knock on wood that I don't have that issue. I did have an issue where it was too cold when I was headed to Daytona this year and it kind of froze up. But after the sun came out and the weather got warmer, I didn't have any issue with it. But overheating in the summertime, no issues at all, y'all. You just gotta know what you're doing with this because you gotta know when to cut it on and cut it off. I don't always have my camera running at all, y'all. I never do that, just constantly running. Maybe two minutes, maybe 3 minutes at the most, I have it running, then I cut it off and catch another V from somewhere else. But we're gonna get the helmet set up and let y'all see. This here, y'all, the mic, you got to. I'm gonna let you look at the helmet, y'all. What y'all think about this helmet, though? This is a firetail helmet right here from Quinn, y'all. Man, make sure you go check out Quinn website. They got some great helmet. I have a clear visor for this, and I have a smoke visor for it as well. And like I say, look at this. This got built-in intercom. It's already got the speakers in it. These both helmets are identical, but just this one is a flat black carbon fiber, and this is a shiny gloss. This is the one I'm gonna be rocking with the hook. With this, I forgot to get my little wind blocker that goes on here. Man, you just take this off here. I don't use this little clip here. I don't know why they put it on here, and it's hard to pop off. I don't use that clip, y'all, because you want to open your cheek pad up. Y'all, let me go get my little wind blocker that I put on here too with this, so it'll help where you won't get cracking and popping, and it keeps the wind off of. Let me go grab that real quick and I'll be right back. All right, we're back, y'all. This is the parts that I'm talking about, like a little cat thing to go over it, and I got this off of Amazon, and it came with quite a few of them in there. You see this? Got a couple of different ones that I just put in the box, and I got some of these little black deals here. This, I would put this over the top of this right here. I'll double it up. That's how I do that. I double it up, put that over there, and then when I talk loud, it won't crack or catch all that wind. Then I take this little cat thing here, as you can see, you see that. See, I don't rock with mine right in front of my mic. I mean, right in front of my mouth, I'm sorry. And I put this one on top of that. And I will stick this behind my cheek pad. That helps protect it. A lot of people like, behind your cheek pad? Yes, behind my cheek pad. And I can talk loud as I need to, or loud as I want to. And let's get this on here. Just like that. That helps protect from a lot of the wind on your helmet. So y'all, let's do this first. We're gonna get this on. We're gonna stick that buddy right there. That's where that's gonna go. And make sure you don't hit your visor, or you don't stick it on your visor. And that's where that's gonna go. And make sure you try to get it dead center on your helmet. Let me get this on, and I'll show it to you when I get it on here. You just got the adhesive 3M tape on the back of it. You know, you scratch it up a little bit so that you can, they say, heat up the adhesive on here. And we're gonna stick it on here. We're gonna get the alcohol wipes make sure you wipe the oil off, or you might have some issues with it coming off. I've been having this one on this helmet probably the last 3-4 years, and I haven't had an issue with it coming off at all. So we're gonna wipe that off, and we're gonna let that boy dry, get all the oil off, and let that dry, and then we're gonna stick this on. So yeah, let's get it. We're gonna get it set on here real nicely. And make sure you try to get it centered, cause once this baby stick, this baby is on there to stay. There we go. Hold on. There we go. I guess I got it on there straight, but it will be okay. And just press it on, hold it on for a few seconds, and that's gonna be it pretty much. We're just gonna, you see that? It does just like the other ones, y'all. Just pop in, pop out, right there. And now, the thing we're finna do now, we're gonna run the mic. And you just run your mic behind your cheek pad and find your spot where this can come out. But I put mine right at the edge of my cheek pad, right there. If you can see that, right there. And I don't have it sticking out. I have it in there. Let me show you. Let me show you on this helmet. You probably can't even tell it's in there, but you can see the little wind thing right there, right there. Y'all see that? That's how it's gonna look. That's so that you won't get no wind, nothing in front of your face where you're gonna get wind and it's gonna be cracking. You're gonna have turbo audio. One thing I've learned about doing YouTube and is making sure that your audio is clean. If your audio is trash, people are not going to watch it. They not gonna be able to get past the cracking and the popping, and because I've been there with that. So I know about that. If I don't know nothing else, I know about this right here. And you just put it right there, and we're gonna fasten it up and make it, there we go. And it's in a good spot too. See that? Right there. And make sure you don't catch any wind at all. It's behind that cheek pad. And like I say, that mic is sensitive, so it's gonna definitely pick up. So don't worry about it if it's gonna pick up. It's gonna pick up. Believe me, I know. So now we're gonna run the wire. And I always just run the wire counter under. Let me try to show you all. Let me unpop that again. I'm moving too fast. Take this, undo this a little bit, and stretch it out. We're gonna run this behind the pad too, and we're gonna have a spot where we're gonna run this out to right here as well. So yeah, it's just that easy and simple. And I try to make mine really neat that it won't come back out. So yeah. So let me run this wire and I'll show you. But like I say, it's very easy to run your wire. So let's get it done. All right, y'all, we got it set up. This is my setup going down the highway with my GoPro Hero 9 Black and my Quinn helmet. Hey y'all, make sure you go check out the Quinn website, y'all, and check out their website. I will put a link down in the description. You can go to the website, cause this, like I say, SOS beacon. You got your intercom already built in on here. You just charge it up right here. You got a charger right here, and it comes with a cable. You just plug it up and charge this boy up, And the audio sound pretty good. At first I thought it didn't, but after I got to ride a little bit more and I adjusted my my headsets in here on the inside, you can adjust them, you can move them, put them where you need them to be, and that would set that just right for you. But this is my setup that I've been rocking for the last 3 years, y'all, on all these helmets right here. All these helmets are great helmets. And one thing I want to tell you about the Quinn helmet, go up a half a size. I'm an extra large, so I had to get a 2X. They run small. So if you in the market for a helmet, you're looking for a great helmet, these boys run small, y'all. Great helmets from Quinn, y'all. I really appreciate Michael for sending me these helmets over to show you all, so that you like this summer, y'all. If you're in the market, look. Let me tell you one thing I really like about these. These are some light helmets, really light. I know I rode this helmet. My Shoei, not knocking Shoei, cause Shoei, or Shui, however y'all want to pronounce it, has a great helmet, and this been rocking. And I got my Cena on here. I mean my Cardo. I'm sorry, I'm saying Cena. I used to have a Cena. My Cardo pack talk on here. I found myself riding on my way down to Shreveport, Louisiana, and I was doing a lot of this. I was adjusting the helmet because I didn't realize this helmet was so much heavier than these helmets. Now this helmet was way lighter than my LS2 helmet, the Valiant 2. That's what I had, and I didn't realize until I was going down the road, and it felt like I never could get comfortable. But man, this helmet has spoiled me right here. These helmets, these two helmets, I'm finna start rocking this one, but this helmet has spoiled the crap out of me, being light as it is. And I mean, y'all, a perfect fit. Like I say, go up a size bigger on the helmet. If you're in the market, check out the website. I will leave a link down there. And again, I want to thank Michael from Quinn Helmets for sending this bad boy over right here. Man, y'all take one more look at that helmet. I got the clear visor, I got the smoke visor for it. Yeah, y'all take a look at that helmet. That boy is fire right there. Yeah, you got your two vents right here. Just open them up here. Yeah, the same thing on the other helmet. Very easy to open. Great airflow coming out the back right here. Just an awesome, awesome helmet. And both helmets had this quilted looking. You know how your grandma used to make quilts, y'all? Look at that, boy. That's a bad helmet. So yeah, y'all. But that's my setup. 2 GoPro Hero 9 Blacks. I know people got 13s and they probably finna bring out a 14. I don't know. It's just what it is. But my GoPro 9, they say if it ain't broken, don't fix it. So since I'm not having any issues, I'm not worried about buying another GoPro right now. But y'all, we're gonna end this video, and thank y'all for joining in and watching the channel. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel, and make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. I really would appreciate it. That helps, goes a long way right there. It's free to click that subscribe button. I had some people thought you had to pay for that, but you don't have to pay for that. But y'all, that is it. Until the next time, the next grind, we're gonna get out of here. We got Khrome and Hook over there looking really good. Whoo, boy, them boys are hot, boy. They, woo, we ready to go, baby, for this summer, y'all. And next time, next grind, we out. Love y'all. Peace.